In yesterday's video, we talked about Kalasarpa dosha and the Pitru dosha. What we did not discuss is that what are the solutions for that. We talked about the indications and the symptoms that you have a Kalasarpa dosha or a Pitru dosha or sometimes both. As I explained to you that if you draw a line between the Rahu and Ketu, if majority of the planets go to one side, we call Kalasarpa dosha. If one or two are left over on the right hand side and not with the majority, we say Ansika Kalasarpa dosha, partially Kalasarpa dosha, 80% Kalasarpa dosha, 90% Kalasarpa dosha, etc. There are many kinds of Kalasarpa dosha people talk about. I don't get into those kind of explanations because I don't prescribe to those kind of thoughts that it's something to do with the Sarpa. Sarpa is snake, is a sign of energy. You see, the Shiva has a snake here, indicating that the Vishuddhi chakra is open, the throat chakra is open. This is the doorway to the heaven because Akash Tattva is like this. Ether Tattva, we call it, out of Panchabhuta. This is Vishuddhi chakra, Agya chakra and the crown chakra. These three combined together is called Akasha Tattva. So anything with the universe. So when Shiva wears a snake around here, it indicates that the Vishuddhi chakra is open. The doorway to the heaven is open from here. This is how they ascend. Up to here is the Anahata chakra. And below is the other three chakras we talked about. They belong to the earth element, water element, air element, the fire element. Now Akash Tattva is beyond our comprehension. Ether cannot be comprehended. Akasha cannot be comprehended. So this is what it means. Energy. Snake is a sign of energy. In the Kundalini Jagarana also, we talk about that there is one snake which is 3.5 length of your hand. Whatever height you have, 3.5 length of your hand, coiled around the Mooladhara chakra, root chakra. When you do the chakra sadhana, this energy gets activated and climbs up through your Susumna Nadi. Between the Ida and Pingala Nadi, there is a Susumna Nadi. In between, it gets ascended. It starts ascending to the crown chakra. So it has to pass through the Vishuddhi chakra, the Agya chakra, then the crown chakra. This is all about the snake. So the snake which talk about Kalasarpa dosha is about the energy, nothing to do with the physical snake. So for that, specify the Ketu, Rahu and protection. One protection I give. So to specify Ketu, I use 8 Mukhi Rudraksh. To specify Rahu, I use 9 Mukhi Rudraksh. Now there is a controversy here. Many people say that 8 Mukhi is for the Rahu and 9 Mukhi for the Ketu. I don't agree. Because 8 Mukhi is presided by Lord Ganesha. Ketu is for knowledge. So Ketu and Ganesha, they are in sync. Rahu and Ganesha, Lord Ganesha are not in sync. So that is what it is. 9 Mukhi is for the Devi Durga or the Bhairava. 9 Mukhi. So that is with the Rahu, I say. So 8 Mukhi, 9 Mukhi. And I always use 11 Mukhi Rudraksh. You call the Panchamukha Hanuman for protection. Because the Rahu Ketu are the two nodes. For example, this is Brahmanda cycle. One energy north node, south node. Now this is your axis we are creating. Now there has to be a center. The center is the 11 Mukhi. I say it's a Panchamukha Hanuman. To balance the Rahu Ketu, we take help of Panchamukha Hanuman, which is also a form of Shiva only. So 8 Mukhi, 9 Mukhi and 11 Mukhi Rudraksh. Along with that, what we add is that one yantra. Yantra is basically a depiction of certain numerals and some kind of geometric shapes. So there is a yantra for the Kalasarpa dosha, Nivarana. So we add that yantra to it. And all these things we made in silver so that there is no kind of allergy. Some people are allergic to different kind of metals, so silver is a very safe metal. So we give all the things made in silver. Now for the Pitru dosha. Pitru dosha, what happens? When the sun, Surya, it gets affected by the Rahu and also by Saturn, and there are some other conjunctions which we discussed about last video. The solution is that what is affecting the Surya, we have to take action. Along with taking action, protecting the Surya. For example, Surya, 12 Mukhi Rudraksh will use. But if the Rahu is creating problem and creating this Pitru dosha, then 9 Mukhi Rudraksh and 12 Mukhi Rudraksh. If the Saturn is creating problem, then 17 Mukhi Rudraksh for the Saturn and 12 Mukhi Rudraksh for the Surya. That is how we advise you and we ask you to wear these things. Wearing Rudraksh is one aspect, but harnessing the power of Rudraksh is another aspect altogether, which people don't understand, people don't teach, people don't talk about. The sellers, the shopkeepers, and those who sell Rudraksh in the market, that is the only job to sell Rudraksh. They want to make money. They are not bothered about you. They are bothered about themselves. They want to sell something to you. But here at White Order Spirituality, I believe in helping you out. I believe in teamwork. So when I give any Rudraksh to you, I also teach you how to harness the power of Rudraksh by balancing your root chakra, then the crown chakra for the Kalasarpa dosha, and for the Surya, which gets afflicted by Saturn or Rahu. In that case, sometimes the root chakra, or some Manipura chakra, solar plexus, and the third eye sadhana also will teach you. Depending on what Rudraksh I am giving you, specific mudra, Vija mantra, etc., I give you, teach you, and monitor you. That's what we do. So as solutions for Pitru dosha and the Kalasarpa dosha, we discussed about it. If you have any question about anything related to the Rudraksh, gemstones, and astrology, do put it in the comment section. I will try to make a video and explain. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and wait for the next video. Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.